Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed a video for you guys, but I'm really excited to be able to do this today. I got the green light from my kids that I sound normal enough to go ahead and film, so happy to do this, and I've got some goodies I want to show you. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you may know that I have been quite sick for the past week and a half, and just been really under the weather, and I'm in my recovery phase. I am sounding a lot more like myself, so today's the first day that I can actually talk and sound like a human, and I thought, why not go ahead and film the last video of 2021. So you can see here I've got some goodies. This one here in particular is from Hermes, but it's from my friend Hedgie, and I have not had a chance to open it yet. She dropped it off with me while I was sick, and I told myself when I start to feel better I want to open it. So I have an idea of what it is because she wrote a little hint in the card, but like I said, I did not open it because I wanted to open it with all of you. I'll also share some of the other goodies that I got from my family members and other friends, and one item I got for myself. It's not a long list of gifts. I think you know if you've watched my Christmas unboxing videos in the past, I'm not big on getting lots of gifts for Christmas. We're really focused on the kids and having a fun time with them, and they're more excited to open their gifts because that is the joy of being a child, right? But really thankful to have these really nice goodies that I can share with you. So let me get into this one here. And from what I understand, the item in here was also featured in my recent video where I shared top gift ideas under $200. So I had mentioned there was something in there. There were a few items actually that I wanted for myself that I wouldn't mind getting as a gift from other people. And coincidentally, my friend got me one of those items even before seeing the video. So she knows me quite well, it seems. Let's open this up. And how nice is it to, come out of a sickness and recover and then be able to open something from Hermes, right? What a treat. So there's two goodies. Wow. Okay, I'm going to just make sure. All right. So this one here, it looks like it is nail polish. Oh my gosh, my first Hermes nail polish. By the way, please excuse this old polish here. I've had this on for 2 weeks now. Still going pretty strong, right? Especially considering they're my natural nails, but it's not a fresh polish by any means. And that was the least of my worries when I was sick. So open this. Oh my gosh, I love everything, the way Hermes packages everything. Oh my gosh, she really does know me really well. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me see. The bottle is so pretty and the color is gorgeous. So the color that I had featured in that video I mentioned with the gift ideas was like this bright red, and she chose like a darker, kind of like a wine red. And she knows me because I love all shades of red, burgundy on my nails, especially in the wintertime. I feel like this rich dark color is going to be gorgeous. Let me see if I can see the actual color name so I can tell you. It says Rouge M, is that right? Rouge M? It looks like it. Ooh. So you know what I'll do? I'll actually do a polish change. It'll make me feel better actually if I can do that today. So I'll do a polish change and then I will insert what my nails look like with this polish at the very tail end of this video. So make sure that you watch till the end so you don't miss that, okay? So I'll do that. Get this back in this beautiful little orange box. And then I wonder what the other one is. Let's see. Oh, the nail files? Let's see. So thoughtful. How do I open this? Do I push it? Or it looks like a little chocolate box. Like a little Parisian chocolate box. I guess I'm getting my appetite back. I've been eating only like soups and porridge type things. Now I'm thinking chocolate. That's a good sign. Oh my gosh, look at these. Wow, bright orange Hermes nail files, which is actually, I really need these. Oh, there's so many. My gosh, how many is that? A dozen or so? I really need these because I use the fashion file nail files that they sent out, and the ones that I got with my previous orders are getting kind of worn, so Actually need new nail files, and I'm like too cheap to buy my own nail files. This is so nice. Yeah, I have to say thank you to my friend. She's so thoughtful. So definitely want to open that with you. So I've got the beautiful nail polish and the nail files, and nothing like opening a treat from Hermès, seriously. And then I wanted to show you something. Actually, I don't have the gift because I asked my husband to return it. And before you gasp, let me explain. So before I got sick, I was actually shopping at Bergdorf's, just kind of like window shopping. And there was a lady there who said, would you like to try a sample? And I saw that it was Baccarat Rouge 540, which happens to be my favorite perfume these days. So I said, oh, I already have it. And she said, which one do you have? And I was like, what do you mean, which one? So I knew this, but I was kind of confused at the time. So there is the eau de parfum, which is what I have, and I'll show you. My husband got me this big bottle a while ago, and I also have the travel size, which I use pretty much daily. And then there's the extract de parfum, which is a more intense formula. So she had me compare both, and I was like, I have this, I love it. And then this one, I didn't expect much of a difference, but it's actually, like I said, more intense and just... oh man, the smell was so gorgeous, and it had like a lot of almond in it, which was really beautiful. And they came out with a brand new size. It's like a $90 bottle. I wish I had it to show you. It's like this slim little bottle like this, maybe about this tall. So it's a really nice size versus the original size. Let me show you this one. So this is a really popular size right here. So anyway, long story short, my husband, he heard me talk about how the extract version smells so good because I had just got back from Bergdorf's, and I was like, oh my gosh, smell these. There's definitely a distinct difference. I love them both. And this new one, the extract one, comes in this dark red bottle. It's a little bit different. And, I was just talking really. And of course, being my husband, he immediately went and got the extract version, so the dark red bottle of this one, and he gifted it to me on Christmas. And I was like, oh my gosh, first of all, I was so thankful that he listened. He remembered, and he acted so swiftly. But I told him, I was like, honey, I haven't even opened this one yet. I'm still using the travel size. And by the way, he had gotten this size of the extract instead of the new $90 bottle that's like that slim version that I can actually put inside my purses. So I told him about that, and he was like, oh, I hadn't seen that. Maybe they only have it at Bergdorf's. Maybe it's just a Bergdorf's exclusive, which it could be, I don't know. So he's made like a mental note that if anything, I would want that size. But I told him, let me get through this first, because I don't want to just have like all these unopened perfume bottles everywhere. And you guys know I'm not really a minimalist, but I lean more towards being a minimalist, and I don't like to have a lot of stuff around. So he immediately understood, and I asked him to return it. So eventually I'll get the extract version, probably from my husband, and it'll be the smaller, slim bottle that I want to try. But for now, I'm happy with what I have. So yeah, I think, it's the thought that counts, truly. So definitely want to share that, and let me know if you have thoughts on the Baccarat Rouge 540, and if you have a preference on the eau de parfum or the extract. I'd be curious to know. Okay, and then he did get me something else here, which is really sweet, in this cute little box. And this also has a little bit of a story, but I'll be quick. So this tiny, tiny little heart necklace, let's see if I can take it out. So I had been shopping with my husband a while back, a few months ago, and just on a whim, we saw this cute little necklace, and it has these little diamonds, and I just love the size of the heart, just so dainty, and it's on this really simple gold chain. And so at the moment that we were there together, we got it, and I brought it home, and then the chain snapped. So it eventually had to be returned. And the chain was way too delicate. It was way, way too thin. Now, my husband does have a custom jeweler that he goes to often for lots of pieces. And he actually went back and described what happened. And they actually made another version, kind of a custom version, but with a thicker chain and custom length that he knows I like. So yeah, this is a very, very similar version of the first one that I don't think I had a chance to even show you guys. But it's super cute, super dainty. So I thought that was super sweet of him. Okay, and then moving on, I'm going to show you what my daughter got from me. She's super sweet. She knows I've been into redecorating the bedroom and some parts of our living area, and she got me a new desk lamp that matches perfectly with my bed and my desk and my room decor. So I'll do a quick cutaway here. Super sweet, right? And I have a really hard time making decisions when it comes to home decor or furniture. I don't enjoy it, and I get really stressed out because I want it to be perfect and I want it to match everything but not be too matchy. So it takes me forever. It's not the same process as when I buy like fashion or luxury. Furniture is just a whole different beast for me. So she cut out that stress out of my life by going with my husband and choosing this cute little lamp, and like I said, it's just perfect. So love that. Then I'm going to show you what my son got for me. Of course, this is all with the help of my husband, which is super sweet. So it's over here. Actually, it's not plugged in yet, but I'm going to show you something that I've wanted for a little while, and I love it. So if you're wondering what in the world is this, it's actually a mini fridge. Yeah, it's a mini fridge. It's like a mini makeup fridge. So you have to plug this in, but I love how it's pink, first of all, and I love the size. Like the dimensions are absolutely perfect, not too big, not too small. And I have this bench in my room, so it fits right on my bench or right below the bench. So the dimensions, like I said, are just really perfect. So this is what it looks like if you open it up, and I can put all of my skincare lotions and creams, anything that I really want to have in a temperature controlled environment, because oftentimes when it comes to skincare, if you keep it temperature controlled, it will last a lot longer and stay fresh, which is better for your skin and the absorption and all of that. But the cool thing about this one, I'll show you, there's a box. This is the company. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. I can also try to find it and link it. But it's from a company called Astro AI, and apparently my husband and my son did a lot of research. It says here portable mini fridge, but the cool thing is that it also does heating as well as cooling. So I can use it as a fridge, or I can use it as a warmer. Like, you know when you go to the spa and you get out those like warm towels or warm neck warmers, and they're inside those like heated little containers like this. So it's essentially the same concept. You can choose either rapid warming or cooling. So how cool is that? I just love it. Look at that. And it has a little handle. Not that I'm going anywhere with it, but super sweet. And this is the last gift that I'm going to share with you in this video. It is a gift from me to me. It came in this fairly large box because I ordered 2 at one time. One is for me, this one here, I already opened it, and the other is for my friend Elma. I sent her this along with one other thing for her Christmas present because I wanted to kind of be like guinea pigs together and try this out. For those of you who watched that video where I featured the top gift ideas under $200 recently, this was again another item that was featured on that list, and yeah, I was just so curious to try it. Actually, what really helped me to pull the trigger was that one of my followers on Instagram said that she got this. She got this with the holiday beauty set, and she tried it and she said it was really good. And she actually sent me before and after photos of the very first time she tried it, and you could see a visible difference under her eyes. So yeah, this is the Flash Eye Revitalizer product. And like I said, I already opened it. So it comes with this rollerball serum. So this is the actual product. You open it up and then you kind of swipe this under your eyes. And then what's really cool is that they give you a set of these eye patches, and I opened it because I was curious. I wanted to check it out. It's like this gelatinous material. It's really cool. So I would think you put the serum under your eyes and then you add these eye patches and then you keep them on for a little while and see if it does any magic. I don't have really that many wrinkles or anything like that under my eyes, but I do sometimes get dark circles when I'm really tired, so I'm hoping this will help alleviate. And let me just pull this out. So if you're curious, there are actually 10 sets of 2, so there's 20 eye patches, but you use them 10 times because you've got 2 eyes, right? Yeah, so really excited to try this out. I'll let you know how it goes. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do some kind of like follow-up video on this. This one, I believe, was retail $130, and I know it's a decent amount of money, but all Chanel beauty products are kind of in the pricier range. As long as it works, I think it'll be kind of cool, right? If it doesn't work, then it's a waste of money, but if it works, then it'll be cool. Now, I did receive other gifts that I'm not going to feature in this video. I received a pair of pajamas from my sister from Ralph Lauren, and I received a beautiful black sweater, like cape, from my friend Elma. Some of those items, they just will not show up well on camera because they're either big or bulky or fluffy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a few of the goodies and wanted to say hope you all had a nice, wonderful Merry Christmas. Hope you're healthier than I have been, but I'm very, very thankful to be able to film this video and to be healthy, sitting upright like this, and being able to chat with you all. So I'm going to go ahead and do a polish change, and I'll stick that in at the end, and I'll see you next time. It'll be 2022 the next time I see you all. Bye-bye. From pink to Rouge H. I had said Rouge M before, it's Rouge H. This beautiful wine color from Hermes. Here we go.